And you treat me like a hostile person. I know you come stand in front of me and ask me, how are you? You expect us to be civil?
Wow. You just told that story as if I wasn't there. I don't think you understand how painful that was for me.
It was? Oh, do tell. You know, I would offer you a drink, but I don't think I will.
You were never the mark on my assignment. It was your brother. But when the agency switched it to you, I was already halfway in.
Halfway in what?
Halfway in love with you, Carlton.
Look, pardon me if I find that very hard to believe. And in any case, it don't make it any better that you were investigating my brother and then switched to me.
I understand where you're coming from, Carlton. But please don't use emotion to cover the fact that your brother was involved in some shady things. When I was assigned to you, it was really hard for me. And I had to put my emotions aside at one point. But I was really, truly, deeply in love with you, Carlton. And I never got the chance to say that to you.
So, what if we do that information then out?
I can't tell you what to do with that information, Carlton. I just wanted to get it off my chest. And if it's any consolation, I was taken off the job for a whole month. So, there you go.
And you being taken off a job for a month supposed to suffice for the trauma and the heartache where you put me through.
I don't know if I've ever told you. Carlton was. One of your classic traits is being arrogant. Always thinking it's about you in your own little world. You think you were the only one that went through trauma? Or was heartbroken?
Well, yeah. Because for me, it was real. But you were just doing your job.
That's what you think. I have never been given another assignment since then. That's how deeply involved my boss saw I was with you.
If it was so traumatic and hard, wrenching for you, how come you never ever once reach out to say, I'm sorry? And you leave it up to fate, or whatever you want to call it. Coincidence, we'll meet us up today. You tell me this.
Would you have taken my call or answer my messages?
I guess we'll never find out.
That's why some things you leave up to fate.
So you're still insisting that this is fate and not work?
What would convince you otherwise?
I'm not sure anything would, because just a couple days ago, I saw your coworker in the same space that I was. And then today, you.
So what, you think we're trailing you? So that's why you think you're under surveillance?
You tell me.
Are you doing something that would warrant you being under surveillance?
There she is. Agent C.
Think I've overstayed my welcome.
You were never welcome.
Ouch. For what it's worth, have a good day, Mr. Wallace.
Good. Wait there, brother. What do you mean? Brother, talk to me now. Who get to you? Good. Good. Jesus Christ.
Carlton, is everything alright?
Everything is fine.
Are you sure? You didn't seem like it.
Even if everything alright, you are the last person I gotta tell my business.
Listen, Carlton, I know I'm the last person you want to hear anything from, but I might be able to help you. But you have to let me know. After all, I owe you one.